Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the Scatter Slots game for iOS and Android, which gives you unlimited resources, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is actually working, guys, and it's super cool. So basically, there's a website called hexmods.com. It has a bunch of modded apps. So you're going to see the Scatter Slots mod. If you don't know where it is, just search it up. And as you can see, we get unlimited coins and gems. So just press on the download button and it's going to start downloading. So let's just give it a second here to go ahead and finish, and you guys will see how to do it. So basically, guys, it is going to load up this page right here, and it's going to tell us that we have to do a verification to finish installing the Scatter Slots mod. So this is the final step. Basically, you have to download 2 of these apps. Doesn't matter which one. But the big thing is a lot of people will not read the instructions below each app. So if it says like download and run for 30 seconds or down install complete 5k coins, so just press on the app, you press tap to install, and it's going to bring you straight to the app store. So you just download the app, you're good to go. So just do 2 of these, read the instructions, and you'll get the Scatter Slots modded version, guys. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if you guys are interested in this game, you're going to love this, guys. It actually worked. It's super weird, but I mean, I'm always playing Scatter Slots, guys. So if I can get my hands on a Scatter Slots modded version, I'm going to do it. So yeah, just do the verification, guys, and you're going to be good to go. It's a very easy step. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. This is awesome, bro. So yeah, Scatter Slots hack in 2025. So peace out.